My name is Susanna Oliver, and today I'm going to walk through how to use Data Cloud with Marketing Cloud Personalization and how to show that engagement in Sales or Service Cloud. For this example, we'll be tracing the journey of a customer as he fills out a form on our website. We'll see how his data journeys across these three connected Salesforce clouds and how we can use those systems to ensure he has an experience that's crafted just for him. But before we get there, I want to introduce you to Data Cloud and Marketing Cloud Personalization. Data Cloud is a secure, cloud-based Salesforce platform designed to take many disparate data points and harmonize them into a consistent, uniform model. At its foundation, Data Cloud could be simplified to three foundational elements. There's data streams, data lake objects, and data model. So to understand how this works in practice, imagine you are going to a concert event. You get in your car and you drive to the event. You and hundreds of others are coming via many different avenues to the same destination. Those different avenues are the data streams. You arrive at the concert venue and you join the hundreds of others milling around inside. That is the data lake. It's unstructured data. You look at your ticket and you find your seat. And that is the data model. Data points that map to a specific place in your object model so that the chaos becomes order and the concert can begin. That is Data Cloud in a nutshell. So as the name suggests, Data Cloud is all about data. But how does it process all this disparate data that feeds in? Data Cloud can be divided into 5 separate functionalities. The first is to connect all the data. This is where your data comes in through APIs and real-time integrations. Next, you're going to prepare your data. This is going to be ensuring that things map to the right places. Next, you're going to harmonize. This is where you get your 360 view of the customer. Next, you're going to analyze, and this is where you can get your calculated insights. There's AI capabilities here. And then the last piece is to be able to act on that data that you have put together. In today's demo, we're going to be using this act portion to act on Marketing Cloud Personalization to deliver a personalized experience for this customer. So Data Cloud connects natively to other Salesforce clouds, including Marketing Cloud Personalization. So let's talk a little bit about personalization. Personalization listens to your customer interactions and allows you to personalize their experience with your brand. So in this case, we'll be using personalization to listen for a website form submission, then we'll identify that user based on that submission, and then we can personalize the blog homepage to feature content that's relevant to that user. So let's jump into the live demo here. So let's take the example of Ben Wilson. Ben has come to this site, he's filled out this form, and he's going to click Submit. As soon as he clicks Submit, that data is going to be gathered, and we're going to watch that data as it moves through the system now. So first, let's visit Marketing Cloud Personalization. Since he has submitted this form, we're going to see that Benjamin Wilson is in the system, and let's take a look at the action that he just performed. So based on his email address, we're going to be able to identify and match him if he is already in the system or to create him if he is not in the system. So based on the event stream, we can see that 50 seconds ago, his email was captured, he was merged with an existing user, and he is now identified. Every hour, this data is synchronized with Data Cloud. So let's go over to Data Cloud next. Starting with data streams. Data streams is the avenue, as we mentioned with the concert venue, it's the avenue by which data comes into Data Cloud. And in this case, this is the data stream that's been set up to work with Marketing Cloud Personalization. In the Details tab, we can see that it synchronizes hourly, and we can see a refresh history here. The field mappings can be viewed here. And in this case, we are mapping email address over to email and first and last name. Now, let's take just a peek into Sales and Service Cloud here. We have the contacts. Here's Ben. Let's open up what we can see from the interactions that he took on the website. Under Engagement, we're going to see the event stream. Similar to what we saw in Marketing Cloud Personalization over here, we're able to see the actions that he's taken. We're able to push that over to Service or Sales Cloud here, and for instance, a call center, an agent, could be able to see the interactions in real time that a customer is taking as they're on a call. So you can start to see the tremendous potential here. Now, over on the right, you can see affinities for blogs. This is blank right now because this particular customer, this particular contact has not viewed the blog yet. But I'm showing you this here because if this is not populated yet, you're going to see it populated in real time, just momentarily. So let's take a journey as Ben and see what happens as we start to look through this blog. So after he's submitted this form, he's going to come over to the blog and start to view some of these blog posts. You might look at this featured blog because it's right there front and center. Now, notice something as he comes back to the blog homepage. So you can see right here, this is a Marketing Cloud personalization campaign being pushed out just for Ben. So this can be a very personalized message, or we can push content that we think he would be interested in based on what we know of him. Okay, so let's come back to his contact record here. And we can start to see that this is coming in real time as he's visiting. So if you imagine this again in the context of a call center, they can not only see the real-time website engagement, but they can start to see trends over time of their preferences and the affinities which they associate with. We can also push out a next best actions with Einstein to recommend to the agent what they should recommend to the customer. But as you can see, this is just the beginning of what's possible with cross-cloud integrations. But hopefully you enjoyed this live demonstration of how Data Cloud paired with Marketing Cloud personalization can deliver robust and personalized customer experiences.